What's going on, guys? So today was a massive day. Um, yeah. So somebody asked me how much I was just up in the green, and it was $83,773. I'm gonna go over everything. It was just a great day. Um, but before I do, we stream live every day, 10:30 to noon, 2 p.m. to 4:30. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER. It works at all the prop firms and will give you the best deals. So just to start, yeah, my E-Trade account was up $19,246. That's obviously real hard cash. I have a smaller Robinhood account. I will not be adding to this account anymore. I'm not really a fan of it, but that was up $8,328 today. So right there is cold hard cash of $27,500 of real money. And then on top of it, you could just see I passed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accounts today. I passed in Apex. PA accounts are up a ton. I got a ton of these, ton of Topstep up. The take profit traders mostly up. That's up. These are all funded accounts. They're all up. I also have a funded account in Tradeify. That's up $1,788. It was just a massive day all around. Yeah, things were really good today. I mean, obviously Trump came out with his news and we basically just ripped. I mean, there was no chart analysis. I mean, let's be real. He came out and said he's pausing tariffs for 90 days, except for China. Threw on more tariffs on China. We rocketed to the moon. Do I think this is done? A lot of people have asked me. No. You got to remember a couple things here. First off, I think we're going to be up tomorrow. That wouldn't surprise me unless China does something at night. You don't really know. I would expect us to kind of fill this gap. Not technically a gap, but kind of where this candle opened. I kind of see us trading back up to like 968 all the way up to this pivot point. Somewhere in this fair value gap is where I think we will trade before kind of rejecting and coming back lower. What I think is going to happen is basically China's going to retaliate. That's going to come. I don't know if China and the U.S. settle this quickly, but if they don't and we run into earnings season, basically the guidance on earnings calls are going to be very, not sure because of tariffs. So that's going to also bring things down. The guidance may not be that high because they might anticipate tariffs, but the tariffs may not be there. There's a lot of uncertainty going into earnings and projections. So I would say if the China thing doesn't get settled soon, we are going to end up trading back down. Do I think we're going to go to new lows? Probably not. But I could see us trading around the 18,000s for a little bit, depending on what goes on with China. I don't think we're out of the woods until the U.S. and China come to some type of deal. But yeah, I loaded up on stocks and things and options down low. Obviously has paid off. And, I'll just keep rolling with that. We'll see what happens. And I do anticipate green unless China does something major overnight. But you never know. This was a massive candle, and like even if we come back 500 points, it's still bullish. But you also seem like you're hitting the trend line here too. If you don't, pretty close to a trend line. I don't know. That's where I think we're going to do is trade up into this fair value gap, and then we're going to roll back over. So that's kind of my insights. We made a lot of money today. Come on the stream if you've got questions. Comment on the video. If not, I will see you tomorrow.